Case study number 2. You've been asked to pull a report for all the potholes by neighborhood for 2021 using the current schema hierarchy. The report should be sorted by volume from highest to lowest. To accomplish this, we'll require two different data sources, the CRM ticket data source and the shortcode catalog. We'll begin the same way we did as the previous one. We'll open the Tableau website, go to the Explorer window, and create a new workbook. Again, as in the last one, the first data source that we'll connect to is the OCDH Hubba Service Tickets 311VW or the ticket data source. Select it and hit connect. Now we'll connect to the shortcode master data source. We'll go up to the cylinder icon with the plus that says new data source. If we click that, we're going to connect to the OCDH 311 shortcode master data source. Select it and hit connect. You'll notice now that you have two data sources selected. We'll start building the report by first making sure that we're on the OCDH Hubba Service Tickets 311VW one. And then we're going to scroll down to the very bottom of the list. We'll choose number of records and drag it to the text card. As we did in the previous example, we'll drag date created to the filters pane. We'll select years and then select 2021 and hit OK. To apply a filter to show only pothole codes, we'll need to create a link between the shortcode master and the service tickets. So we're going to click on the shortcode master data source. We're going to scroll down to where it says code, and we're going to click the little paperclip beside the word code so it turns orange. This creates a link between the two files. We'll then expand categorizations, and we'll take the level 2 description, drag it to filters, search for the potholes, check mark it, then hit OK. Scroll down to neighborhoods in the service tickets, so we'll switch to the service tickets, scroll down, find neighborhoods, and drag it to the row shelf. And now we're going to sort neighborhoods descending. So if I right click on neighborhood, I can go to sort, and I'm going to choose sort by field in descending number of records and make sure it says sum. Then I'm going to close this. You'll notice though that we seem to have an issue. They're not in numerical order. We have a 20 before a 43 and a 2 before a 25. So to correct this, we'll actually need to sort in a completely different method. We'll need to create a calculated field. You can do this by clicking the little arrow here and selecting Create Calculated Field. Alternatively, you can go to Analysis and click on Create Calculated Field. They both do the same thing. So our formula will be rank as the title, and the formula itself will be rank underscore unique. Once you've got it typed, you can just select it from the list. And then within our brackets, we're going to put in the sum of the number of records. We can do this by dragging from here into the brackets, and then type a comma. In quotation marks, we'll type in DESC, and then hit OK. We'll drag our newly created rank onto the rows shelf. This is going to try and turn it into a chart. This is a real simple solution. We just right-click on the rank in the green, click the word discrete, and it'll change it to blue. Then, by moving it to the front of neighborhood, you'll now see that we're in perfect numerical order. Where there is a blank here, that just simply means that there was no way to validate the address against a specific neighborhood. We're going to give this a name. We should also hide the rank number. So if you right-click on the word rank, uncheck Show Header, it'll remove the rank from the list, but it'll still keep it in new numerical order. Now we simply need to save it. Click on File, Save As, and use the proper naming conventions. So the year, the month, the date, your name, and the name of the report. Then simply hit Save. As before, you can get the share link the same way, and this report will also update every single day.